If you have noticed your shoulders rounding forward or your neck jutting out when you walk, you are experiencing something extremely common. That hunch is quietly causing back pain, neck pain, breathing problems, and even balance issues all at the same time. This diagram shows exactly what is happening mechanically. The muscles and your chest have gotten tight, constantly pulling you forward, while the muscles in your upper back have become overstretched and weak, failing to hold your shoulders in place. The good news is that this forward hunch is not an inevitable sentence of aging, it is a mechanical imbalance, and because muscles can be rebuilt at any age, it is completely fixable. Today we are going to walk through a simple 4-step daily routine designed to retrain those exact posture muscles. You do not need any special equipment, you only need a sturdy armless chair, an open doorway, and a blank wall. Before we start, pause this video and have someone take a side profile photo of you standing naturally. Relying on how you feel isn't enough, you need visual proof to accurately track your true physical realignment over the next 30 days. Step 1 is the chin tuck. Sit up perfectly straight and your armless chair to begin. Now, pull your chin horizontally straight back like you are trying to make a double chin. This animation shows the precise movement path. You must slide straight back. The most common mistake here is tilting your chin up or looking down, which defeats the purpose of the exercise. When done correctly, you will feel a deep tension right in the front of your neck. Hold that position for 5 seconds, then release. Do this 10 times. This specific movement directly counteracts the damage caused by looking down at phones and tablets. It strengthens the deep stabilizing muscles that exist purely to hold your head upright. First step, to the shoulder blades squeeze. Stay right there in your seated position. If we pull your shoulder blades backward and pinch them tightly together, looking at this top-down view, imagine holding a pencil between your shoulder blades, pulling them directly inward toward your spine. Notice the downward arrows. You must keep your shoulders dropped. Do not shrug them upward while you squeeze. Hold that strong squeeze for 5 seconds, then release. Complete 10 repetitions. When these upper back muscles get stronger, they act as the permanent natural anchor, holding your shoulders back in the correct position. Now get up and move to an open doorway for step 3, the chest opener stretch. Place both hands flat on the door frame, right at shoulder height. Keep your feet planted and gently lean your body weight forward through the doorway threshold. Stop leaning when you feel a distinct stretching sensation across the broad muscles of your chest and the very front of your shoulders. Hold this stretch for a full 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. This stretch is mandatory. Strengthening your back won't work if your tight chest muscles remain locked up continuously, pulling your body back into a hunch. Finally, step over to your blank wall space for step 4. While angels, this is the most highly integrated exercise in the routine. Stand flat against the wall, checking off for strict contact points. Your heels, your buttocks, your upper back, and the back of your head must all be touching the wall. Raise your arms into a 90-degree goalpost position against the wall. Slowly slide your arms vertically up above your head and then back down. If you struggle to keep all points of your body touching the wall while doing this, do not worry. That difficulty proves the exercise is targeting your exact muscular weaknesses. Performed 10 repetitions at a very slow, controlled pace. This movement is the ultimate posture test. It forces your neck, shoulders, and back to work in perfect alignment all at once. Completing those exercises, step 1, but you also need to adjust 3 daily habits, or you will just be fighting continuous daily damage. First, when you said keep your feet flat on the floor with your back supported, avoid sinking into soft couches for hours at a time. Second, look at the weight distribution on this graphic. Every inch your head drops forward to look down at your phone as enormous, damaging weight to your neck. Hold your phone up at eye level instead. Third, when you walk, imagine a string attached to the top of your head pulling you directly upward toward the ceiling. Applying these micro adjustments ensures that your everyday activities active. Rebuild good posture instead of destroying it. Here is your complete daily checklist. Tension tax: 10 shoulder squeezes, 3 chest stretches, and 10 while angels. The whole sequence takes under 5 minutes. Your challenge is to execute this exact routine consistently every single day. For the next 30 days, on day 30, take a second side profile photo of yourself. When you compare it to the baseline photo you took today, you will be genuinely surprised by the visual difference. If this plan gave you something valuable to work on, please hit the like button so it can reach other American seniors, and subscribe for weekly health tips. Put in the daily work. You have earned the right to stand tall and pain-free. See you in the next one.